Hi there, Laura Morris again with another blogging lesson on how to publish your first Empower Network blog post. And this is going to be fairly quick. It's going to be easy, and you're going to be really surprised at how simple it is to start blogging. So let's get going here. Okay, you're going to go to your blog, and let's assume that you've just gone into your Empower Network blog, and you've just logged into your blog, and I'll just assume that you've gotten into your back office here, and you would click over here to the Add New button, and then it brings you up to this editor here, and I've just typed in a title. You just want to type in a title to choose what you're going to call the name of your article, and it would just go right in here in this spot. And then here is where you would type your blog post, and you want to keep your blog post somewhere between 300 to 500 words, and your word count is going to be right down here. Right now I have 58 words, and I just typed in a few words just to give you an idea of what it looks like in here. Now here, over here in this box, it's going to give you a few different options where if you want to, for instance, you want to separate some text and you want to make a title, if you want to center it and you want to make a title, you could go like that, and that would make a heading. And that's going to help you. In a later video, I'm going to show you how to help Google find you, and I'm not going to go into that right now in this video, but if you just wanted to make one of those nice red titles that you see on the blog posts, or what's called a heading, that's how you do it. Is you just simply highlight it, and then you center it right there, and then you click on heading 1, or if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you would hit heading 2, and then that's where that would come from there. If you want to, and it's really no different than say doing your email editor or using Word or something like that. You just would use your bold keys. Now if you're going to paste something in, if you wanted to make your blog post up on Word, on your word processor or on your computer and paste it in, you're going to use this right here, your paste from Word. Don't paste something directly in from your Word right into this box here, and the reason is that Word has some funky stuff that it brings with it, and so that's why this box is here. So you would simply paste it right into this box and then click Insert. Okay? If you want to edit on a little bit larger of a screen, you would click that box there, and then it's going to open up a little bit nicer, bigger box for you here to work with. And then you would just simply work on it, save it, and then exit the full screen. If you want to add a photo to your post, you would click the area that you want to add the photo to. So if you want to add it over here, you would just click the area and then click Add Media, and then you would click Upload File, select File, and then let's just pick this nice little kitty right there, and then you want to change the name of it. You always want to title it, so I'll call it Cat and Mouse, and then you also want to give it some alternate text, and this is so that it can be found on Google if somebody ever searches for that. And then you want to click Insert into Post, and then there's my cat and mouse. And if I want to move it over, I would click that and then click where I want it in the post. So there I'm going to click left and then update, and then there's my cat and mouse. Now it doesn't really relate to MLM marketing, but I'm just giving you an idea of how to work with these things here. The rest of it, if you make a mistake, here's an undo. So you can click undo and it will get rid of whatever you've just done. You really can't make a mistake. Now until you're done with your entire blog post, you want to save draft. And all that's going to do is just continue to save it in here until you're completely finished with it. When you're really done with it and completely happy, then you click publish. You can continue to hit the preview button and you can go and see a preview of it, and that's what it's going to look like on your blog. And so then when you are totally done with it and thoroughly thrilled, then you can click publish and then it will show up on the outside of your blog. So that's basically it. I mean, it's really simple, and tomorrow I will go a little bit more into this box right here and what this means, this percentage score over here, and what this SEO keyword thing is. So that was our video for today. I'll talk about tags tomorrow. And so this has been Laura Morris, and I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Everybody go out and make it a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.